So I'm editing my beach vlog, and I thought I vlogged a lot more than I did, but I guess that's not true because it's only 5 minutes. I'm done editing it, but I gotta chill. I don't know what happened, but I didn't really show a lot. I mean, we went to an arcade, we went to the beach, we kind of just hung out at home, went to the bay. We did like the same stuff over and over. I should have vlogged more. I'm surprised I didn't. We went in our pool that they had at the rental house. But yeah, I don't know why I didn't vlog more. I'm sorry. It's very short, but at least it's something. I finally finished editing the vlog, the beach vlog, and I just uploaded it now, so it's up. Thank goodness, because that take took way longer than I expected it to. Because whenever I try to edit and upload a video, something always goes wrong. Nothing ever works out just perfectly. Something goes wrong. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. Hey Claire, does this remind you of anybody? Lucy, what do you want? I know you want food, but you can't have any. You have your food in your room. You're crazy. Some shopping. Hi, Mom.
Hi, honey.
We're at the, what is this called? Produce Junction.
No, this is Produce Junction.
We got a watermelon. We got some vegetables. It's very colorful here.
It is colorful.
My mom and I are at Nudie's Cafe, or is it Nudie's Diner or Nudie's Cafe? Cafe. And we got pancakes and eggs and bacon.
You don't want cereal?
It looks very, very yummy. I'll have some. So my mom went inside to get my brother's glasses from the eye doctor place. And I got my blood drawn, and I got a tuberculosis test thing. Basically, they just like stuck a needle in and it like raised up like a mosquito bite, and then I have to go back on Monday to see if it's okay or not. I don't really know how it works, but whatever. And then I got my blood taken for my thyroid, whatchamacallit. I don't know. My mom's been making lots of doctor's appointments, so July is like my health month. I feel like that's how it always is usually in the summer. We always get lots of appointments. But yeah, I'm just chilling in the car now, and some guys walking by and watching me film myself. It's always kind of awkward. Like, they're probably like, what are you doing? Because, like, I don't know, when you take selfies, you usually take it with your phone, and you're usually, I don't know, with makeup or with other people, not just filming yourself in a car. But yeah, I always do that. I always end the clip with but yeah, or but yeah, or something like that. I don't know, I need to just like cut it, so I'm just gonna cut it. Claire just Snapchatted me. Let's see what she said. Sounds good. She's so cute. So I'm back from the graduation party, and now I'm currently working on a project. Can you see me? You're looking through my door handle hole. I think that's where my door handle used to be. I'm currently putting in a new one because the one I had, the lock was broken. So like, if I locked it from in my room, you could still get in and it wouldn't work, but it would be locked from my side, so it was kind of pointless unless I wanted to lock myself in my room, even though people can come in. I don't know. So my dad bought me a new one, and now I can hopefully do this by myself here's all the pieces. Don't mind my straightener. Here's all the pieces, and that has to get made into like that. So we'll see. I'll update you on my progress. I took a break and I played apples to apples with my family, and now I came back to my room and look what happened. Da, 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 da. The only thing I don't know is why this part is silver and these are gold, but that's how it came. So it can open and it locks from both sides. You could just call me Handy Woman Savannah. No big deal or anything. The one thing I should have vlogged, which was really dumb on my part, was when this like handle was completely off and the only thing in here was this, the instructions said to make sure that like this little slanty part was like facing towards the way it closed. So I was like, oh, let me just make sure it closes right. So I pushed the door close, and what do you know? I'm locked in my room. And I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna have to like call through this little tiny hole to my parents and tell them to come help me and get me out of here. But I solved my own problem because I took, ouch. Oh, I just kneeled on this thing really hard. But I took the back part of the handle and I like slid it in and just like twisted it like as if you would open a regular door handle, and it opened, and I was like, oh, I'm not locked in. I don't have to embarrass myself and call for help. Right? Oh, now she wants to play with the string of the camera. You're in a playful mood, aren't you? Okay, let's see. It's July 4th, so happy Independence Day. Happy July 4th. For all you Americans. I completely forgot about my vlog camera today. My mom and I have been out shopping for college stuff all day, but I thought it would be fun to just do like a little mini college haul. Except I kind of want to do a dorm haul, like main channel video. Well, I'll just show you some stuff, what I got, so that everything's not ruined. But okay, one thing I can show you is this Turby Twist hair towel. Basically, it's just a towel for your hair, and it's super, it's just, I don't know, it's just a hair towel. But my aunt had one, and not my aunt, my mom's cousin, so like my second cousin or something. My cousin had the Turby Twist towel when I stayed at her house at the beach, and I really liked it, so I bought one. And I also got a pair of flip-flops from Old Navy. I got white ones and black ones.